Hi, this is Rob with SkidSteerSolutions.com. I'm here with the brand new Arrowhead R65S concrete breaker, and I'm just going to go over some of the features and benefits of that product. So on this R65S, it has a 5/8 plate. We've got gusseting all around this to support this breaker. The back of this is about the heaviest lip I've ever seen. It's 2 inches, a 1/2 inch plate that are gusseted together to hold it onto the upper lip of your machine. Looking over here, we've got good hose protection here. We've got some routing features that keep the hose out of the way so it doesn't get caught in this kill zone back here. This tool is perfectly sized for a 600 foot-pound breaker, and it's a 2.6 inch diameter. The chassis of this, there's a single moving piece in here. It's all precision machined. All the hydraulic block and everything, the control block is outside of this, so you can actually screw this off. It can be serviced and put back together again. So there's not really a whole lot to actually maintaining one of these things. You just want to take good care of it by keeping it greased and just making a visual inspection, make sure your tools aren't broken. And with that said, let's do a demonstration of this and see how see how well it performs. We hope you've enjoyed this product demonstration of the Arrowhead R65S breaker. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and visit us at SkidSteerSolutions.com.